OU plus TCU. In a word, drama.
Play runs left, cuts up the middle, first down to the 30. Hands room to the 40. Open field to the 50. It's a race for the end zone. 35-30, 25-20, 10-5. Touchdown Sooners!
Knight looks right. Pick off. Here it comes. Ball Dolphin. It'll be a pick six. Dolphin will take it to the head.
Bounces outside. Still looking. Lobs in zone. It's knocked away. It's knocked down. Stephen Parker. He knocked it down.
Today is about one thing: getting a win. Speculation of trophies and bowl games and conference titles can wait for another time. Win. That's it. Start a 2-week Metroplex two-step by hanging a crimson-colored W on Cowtown. Frustrations, irritations, anger, stuff it all in a sock and drop it in the River Red on the way south. No time for that now. Eyes forward and take care of business today. OU TCU. W-I-N.
Mixon at the 4, up the right side, 10, 15 to the 20, skips through, 25, down the near sideline, to the 40, it's a race, 50, 45, 40, one man to beat, steps out, into the end zone, Joe Mixon takes it to the house,
It's time for the Big 12 opener. It's the Oklahoma Sooners and the TCU Horned Frogs. Here we go. Live from Amon G. Carter Stadium in Fort Worth, Texas.